Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to delete account on Instagram. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone. Now, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. In the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. From the menu, tap on Accounts Center. Here, tap on Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Now, tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Instagram account you want to delete, tap on Delete Account, and tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Select a reason for deletion from the options, tap Continue. Now, tap Continue again to proceed. A menu will appear asking to permanently delete your Instagram account. Tap Continue. Enter your password to confirm. Now, tap on Delete Account. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your Instagram account. Thanks for watching.